Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the boosters black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my blood. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding in boots. Cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. I'm like a Marlboro man, so I keep going back. Wish I could roll on back to that old town road. I wanna ride till I can't no
Yeah, I'm
more.
gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Let's learn Old Town Road. It's choreographed by Jean-Pierre, Madge, and Miguel, Belloque, Vane. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, easy beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Old Town Road. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to place our right heel forward. You're now going to hook your right foot up to your left shin, making a figure 4 with your right knee. So when you do that, you want your knee slightly turned out and you're bringing your ankle and your heel of the right foot up to the bottom of your left shin. It doesn't need to be super high, just slightly above that ankle, and then you'll bring it back forward. So we're placing that right heel forward, heel, hook, and then we're going to do that again. Heel, hook, and then we're going to do a grapevine to the right, stepping right side, left behind, right side, touch. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your heel hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine to the left with a flip. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and then we're going to flick our right foot back. As you do that, you're going to slap your right foot with your left hand, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to flick our left foot back, and as we do that, we're going to hit it with our right hand, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to flick our right foot back and hit it with our left hand. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine flick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to walk forward with a hitch. You're going to walk forward, right, left, right, and you're going to hitch your left knee up. And as you do that, you're going to slap your left knee with your right hand. We're now going to walk back, left, right, left, and you're going to hitch your right knee up and slap your right knee with your left hand. So let's try that with some counts, walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do turning step hitches. As you do this, you're gonna pretend like you're riding a horse. So your left hand is gonna be in front of you, like you're holding the reins, and the right hand's gonna go over your head like you're doing a lasso. So we just hitched our right knee up. We're gonna step with our right and hitch our left knee up, making a quarter turn. So we're gonna go step, quarter, hitch. Then we're gonna do that again. Step, quarter, hitch. Again, step, quarter, hitch. And then we're gonna go step, hitch. And you want this to gradually make a 3/4 turn over your left shoulder. So let's try that with some counts, doing your step hitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want it to slightly travel in a circle, but not a big circle. It's mostly happening in your spot. So now let's face the front. We're gonna do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our heel hook. So it's heel hook, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, flick, step, walk with a hitch, back with a hitch, step, hitch, step, hitch, step, hitch, step, hitch, making that 3/4 turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance will technically end facing the side wall. All I did was make an additional quarter turn so that I ended facing 12 o'clock instead on those turning hitches. So instead of your final one being straight at the wall, I did one more so that I could end facing 12 o'clock, and then I stepped to the side. That's how I ended facing the front. You can just dance through until the music ends, or you can make that additional quarter turn to the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, we're going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your heel hook. Heel hook, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, flick, step, walk with a hitch, back with a hitch, step, quarter hitch, step, quarter hitch, step, quarter hitch, step, hitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel hook, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, flick, step, walk with a hitch, back with a hitch, step, quarter hitch, step, quarter hitch, step, quarter hitch, step, hitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Old Town Road. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached, head is matted black.